so my name's Dean. I'm here with Colton RV in North Tonawanda, New York. Today we're doing a walkthrough on a 2024 KZ Confluence. This is going to be the Headwaters edition. This is also the 18RB, meaning it's got your rear bathroom. So starting right here in the front, you've got your standard pass-through storage. In there, you've got a spot all ready for your hand crank for your stabilizing jacks. It also does come prepped with your tire monitoring system that would be able to be seen in the cab of your pickup truck, so you know how your tires are doing at all times. All right, and so then moving back around to the front, you've got your automatic tongue jack, along with your safety chain, 7-way, and your brake, emergency brake control there as well. Now, with this being the Headwaters edition, it does come with two 20-pound propane tanks. Also comes with your selector level, so you can use just one or the other or both at the same time if you prefer. Coming around to the other side here, you've also got your standard battery disconnect. Comes with your standard 12-volt lead-acid battery. Simply other side of your pass-through storage here. Then you've got your docking station. So what you've got here is this is going to be all your city water hookups, whether you want to fill your tanks or just simply use the outside faucet there, rinse off the kids or the dog, whatever you need to do. Got your standard slide on the non-camp side here. This is going to be for where your couch is on the inside, which we'll get to in a little bit then as well. 30 amp electrical system on this one, along with your wastewater holding tank, sewer connection, and all of your dump valves. Again, manual stabilizing jacks on all four corners there to make sure everything's all nice and secure for you. This one you do actually have your black tank flush as well. You hook your hoses up right here, spins that around. You can flush out your black tank. You don't have to worry about all that residual being left in there. Comes standard with the Colton RV spare tire there, along with your bumper for your sewage hose. Don't need that inside. Over here on the back corner, you've got your hot water heater there as well. Any fuses or anything like that you need to get to operate it also. Super simple, everything's right there in front of you. So then as we come back around to the campsite here, we've got your 13-foot awning. Covers up almost the majority of your trailer, being that it's an 18-foot trailer here. Fold away handrail then also helps secure your door as you're going down the road. One of my favorite features as a little bit of a bigger guy is the heavy duty steps that are also able to be adjusted so that you don't have to worry if you're not on level ground when you pull into your campsite. One of the other nice things about this one here is you'll see some of the stickers. So this has got the climate package. You have got your sealed underbelly along with your heated tanks. And then it is also made with the Blasdell siding. What that is it is an inorganic material so that even if somehow you do get some type of crack or scrape into your fiberglass, it is an inorganic. So it will not rot, it will not mildew, it will not mold, it won't hold water. You don't have to worry about all those pesky water spots or soft spots on your floor or anything like that. So with this being the 18-foot RB, it is the perfect couples coach. Immediately as you walk in, you've got your queen size bed. Both sides have got your closets, one for each of you. You've both got your separate reading lights in case one of you likes to stay up a little bit later and the other one's a early riser, such as myself. Dual plugs with shelving on both sides, again for all those cell phones that need to be plugged in and charged every night. Front window shade also comes down, or you can let it in or leave it open with a lot of light if you like to wake up first thing in the morning with the sunrise. One of my other favorite features on this coach is going to be all of the windows on it. Like I mentioned, you got that front window there. You've got tons of natural light coming in here. You've got one window on each side of the bed, so you get that beautiful cross breeze during those nice cool summer evenings. Same thing with your window on the back side behind your couch and your kitchen there then as well. Again, you can get all kinds of cross breezes through here. Standard 68-inch couch. Does have your armrest flips down. 2 cup holders there for you as well. And if you do need it for a guest or anything like that, simple as pulling up. Couch drops down. You've got another sleeping area there. Tons of storage behind them as well for anything that they might need or anything you might want to store away and hide a little bit. That simple to put back down there then again as well. With it being a little bit of a smaller coach, super simple kitchen, big deep circular sink, cabinet space up top, all kinds of drawers down the side. You've also got your under sink access there for any type of plumbing or anything along those lines. Also comes with your 3-burner cooktop. Glass flips up, access to all 3 burners. Obviously you don't necessarily want those exposed at all the time. Glass comes back down, got all kinds of storage. Furrion vent hood along with your microwave. And then you've also got your stove down here. And then coming around to the bathroom, you've got your medicine cabinet there up front, which you don't see in too many couples coaches. Good size shower, even for a bigger guy such as myself, with your skylight there up top. All right, and then also in the bathroom, what you've got is you have got an amazing sized extra storage space for any towels, additional shirts, anything else that you might need, along with any other additional storage for any of your bathroom items then as well. So again, thank you very much for taking this tour with me here today. Again, my name is Dean. I'm up here at the North Tonawanda office on Niagara Falls Boulevard. If you've got any questions about this coach or any of the other ones out there, please feel free to give me a call, 716-694-0188. My extension's 434. I hope to hear from you soon.